favorite mango salad. Thai mango salad.
Yes, got it.
We are here again in SM.
Yep. It's never too long
This is
apart
so
before we're back in the mall.
He's
a
going
good
to
price,
buy
huh?
the bike.
Yeah, I've been wanting one for our home exercise.
Yes.
Don't get out to run. Don't get to
Actually,
do
it's cheap.
other gym.
Reserve it.
So on the box. Oh yeah.
This guy, he's going to buy this bike for exercise, so we're gonna put it in the terrace.
Oh right.
They have in the backs.
It's just that comes off and then.
That's good then.
Yeah, it's nice.
So we slowly like buy all the gym stuff.
Yes. Then you don't have to travel to the gym.
Yep.
It's a good price,
Yes. Yeah. We're buying that one, guys. We go back later. Also, look for more in here.
But this one's small.
So you want the other one?
Yeah, the other one's good. It's comfortable.
So you want the one in Toby's?
Yeah, and so
It's very cheap also, this one.
you're just gonna fall asleep in here.
This is nice.
This is
for
not
me.
exercise, Shella.
For nappy time.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, the
Transfer from the
foreigner
couch.
also buy. This one is 8,000.
Step machine, yeah.
Yes. But this one is nice. Once
Oh, cool.
127,000, guys.
Yes.
Ooh, 128
It's a lifetime
coming.
worth of gym membership.
This is so good. So we just bought the not so big one.
Yeah, it's good price. 27,000 original
Yeah.
price, and it's reduced to 13,000.
We're just slowly buying our stuff for the gym. You happy?
Yes.
Yes, got
Time to get healthy.
How many months we didn't go to the gym? 1 year, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess so.
I've got some weights at home that I try and
Yeah,
use, but we're
but-
always away. So now the guys are checking everything is in order. They plugged it in, checked that the electrical parts are working. Gosh, they had to get all out of the box. Now they have to put it back again into the box. Every time they sell something, they have to go through this. Now the tricky part is to get this whole thing back into that box over there. And the moment of truth. Is it gonna fit? Yes, yes, it fits. Well done.
We're gonna look for my brother, guys, because they were having a buffet in Tongyang before they go to Boracay.
Yeah, they're on a college trip to
Yes,
Boracay.
they're all there. They're all wearing white. It's a Tongyang. I think they're already there. They're eating. It's B-boy there.
Yeah, it's B-boy.
Hi! Food trip! Nice. Now they're eating here in
Enjoy.
Shabu Shabu. Beautiful, huh? Yeah. It's exhibition here. Now we're looking for our lunch. I just saw my brother eating there. Wow, this is cool. Exhibition. So, where are we going, sir, to eat, sir? Thai restaurant. I like the color here. It's purple.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it's
think
nice.
this is new. Yeah, I guess it's new,
Never seen
right?
this before, yeah.
Yes. Kind
I
of,
wouldn't mind seeing a menu.
yeah.
Some salads.
Oh, wow.
Soup. Some yam soup. Oh, they got curry.
Curry.
Thai green curry.
We can share the curry.
Chicken green
We
curry.
can eat. You
Yeah,
want
that's
to eat
nice.
in here or you want the inside one?
Fried chicken. Oh, this is nice. Huh?
Yes, where you want to
Yeah.
eat? Here?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's a big table.
Yeah, that's a big table.
Oh, you want here? Oh, the outside lang?
Yeah, we take
It's okay. We are here in the new restaurant in SM called Soy. Oh God. Oh, soy
Too many
is
legs on
nice.
this table.
Actually. Eat Thai, love Thai.
Oh.
Sawadee Cup.
God.
Kapun Cup. Thailand. Thank you. Oh,
And we
that's
have Coca-Cola.
nice. Some Thai's iced coffee. Yes, one curry
Thai green curry, yeah.
and mango salad. Ooh, I love curry, guys. Snacks.
We've got peanuts and chippies.
Try
It's
the-
like nachos.
Try the peanuts.
Yeah. Flavorful. It's salt flavor, but nice.
Thank you. Romeo. Where's Joliet?
Purple. Even the flowers are purple. So we're actually sitting in the middle of the mall, on the side of the restaurant. It's nice. It's just been renovated apparently, so that's why we didn't see it before, no?
Yeah,
You
it
said.
was open yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll wait for the food now. See what it's like. Looks good.
Yeah, sure.
Portions are big inside. I don't want to film all the people because it's
Garlic. Oh no, that's a crab.
crab meat,
Crab meat
rice.
rice, yes. Our favorite mango salad, Thai mango
Yes.
salad.
Probably quite chilly, no? Spicy.
Yes. And the green curry. Oh my god, there's a lots of like
Shrimpies.
shrimpies.
Allergy.
Allergy attack. Oh my goodness. This is our favorite, the one in when we are. Yes, when we are always in Thailand. The one with the half egg.
Oh yeah.
The one I normally cook at home also.
Yes.
I know how to cook this, guys. With basil sauce.
Here's some nice chili for you.
Yes. My god. Bon appetit.
Let's see what this tastes like. Yeah, it looks good.
Printing area. Yes, guys.
Yeah, we
To
have
print his
some documents. I need to print
documents. Yes.
and send off
In
to our home.
what is it? Tronics. Trash ID.
Your favorite wedding pictures.
Yes. It's in here.
Photography is the beauty of life. Capture.
Yes.
Ta-da!
Beauty of Gustav.
I should come work here.
So, just arrived. The one I reorder. The solar fan is for the office room. Because it's super hot now. And our electricity is too high. Because 2 aircon is on, 2 electric fan is on. So, we bought this one, solar one. Solar.
We were just here in Pavia's Robinson Mall and stumbled upon this little, what they call arnis, which is like almost like a sword fighting. And they're really talking to each other, like so. Oh.
Pesto. Yes, from Meadows.
It's the brand we know from Hong Kong.
Yep. Cooking time for mister.
So, making bacon and some onions.
Yes,
And
done.
then fry the noodles
Yes.
together with the pesto.
Yep. That's super yummy with
Egg at the end.
eggs. Simple dinner for us.
No fancy steaks here.
Yes. Don't like steaks, guys. Our simple dinner.
Pesto noodles with
Yes.
egg, bacon and onion. Done.
Yeah. Yes, that's what we eat here at home, guys. We're always simple here.
Yeah.
Yep.
No need for fancy steaks and
Yep.
whatnot. That's
Bon
what we go to
appetit.
restaurants for.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Now, okay.
Yes. So we bought this bike 3 days ago. And we're now finally getting a chance to put this bad boy together. So all the parts are
Yes.
spread
You
out.
can
as
do
you see.
exercise now here.
Yeah. I've got the instruction manual, which has
Yes.
lots of detailed little
Yep.
drawings inside with numbers and steps. So hopefully I can follow this and put this little boy together. Yes! Got it! It works! Yeah, and you can adjust the strength here, resistance. You can adjust the handlebars, up, down, the seat forward and back, and the seat up and down. And then to stop, you have to just press for brakes. It's done! Yeah, it's got teeth on it. She's not used to bikes, guys. But we both need exercise. Stomach needs to get going. Away, far away. Yeah, that's better. It's still too high, no?
It's okay.
You sure?
Did you
Oh, look at that. The beginning of the exercise regime
athletes?
every day. Olympic cyclist coming. Yes.
Going to marathon.
Yeah, already wearing the t-shirt.
That's enough. Woo! Now we got our patty for our burger. We're ready to use. And we have the bacon one.
And a special on the muffins.
Bacon, yes.
2 for 1.
And we have the Italian
Loading up.
sausage, chicken wings, mixed vegetables. What's this one?
Yeah, time to stock up.
Yes.
Especially
Yeah.
the meat here in SNR
Yes,
is good.
it's so good, right?
Yeah. And of course the toilet paper is also good. Not joking.
Yes.
I think we got
The
everything
bacon
we
is a
wanted.
good deal. It's a lot.
Yeah, that's like, what was that again?
Yes.
How much? Oh, get the price. It's like 700 for 1 kilo.
Yes.
Not bad.
Yes. It's paying time. It's just only for us.
Yes.
Yeah, wala to stock. I think it's just like a one month stock. I don't think so.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, diet time. At least we have our bacon, our chicken wings, patties, and our Italian sausage. It's paying time.
Yes, the pleasant part is the picking.
And
Ta-da!
ta-da!
5,485 and 1 centavo.
Yes, it's an hour.
It's not bad actually.
It's not bad, guys, because we use it for long.
Yeah, and the quality of the meat is good.
Yes.
It's really good.
Yes. Lunchtime. I make a yummy burger. Look at my burger.
Wow.
Ooh.
Who needs Burger King when you got this at home?
Yes, look at this.
The patty from SNR, which we bought yesterday. We're trying it out. Nice cheese.
Nice pickle.
Nice. Yeah.
Look at the pickle.
Big jar of pickles.
Kosher dough. And then we have our yummy mango sauce from the moms.
The chili sauce, yes.
Yes, so yummy. Perfection, guys. With tomato and the onion.
And it's all together.
Yes.
Yes. We can hardly wait. We are hungry. It's Sunday and we haven't eaten yet.
Yeah, Sunday.
Okay, let's enjoy. The burger tower is ready for the taking. This one's already been attacked. This is what it looks like on the inside.
Yummy.
Very good.
Caramelized onion.
Yes. It's the full treatment. Guys, this is so delicious.
Yes.
I can't tell you.
It's super juicy, the inside of the SNR burger that we bought.
Yeah.
I love it. It's very perfect.
It's like the
With
most
the deal.
expensive burger shop.
With deal. Oh my god, the deal is so yummy, guys.
Cucumber. Oh,
Cucumber, yes. Kosher dill.
pickle.
Pickled.
Yeah, no, this is a perfect, brilliant idea.
Caramelized onion. So yummy.
Who needs a burger restaurant when you can do it all at
Yeah.
home?
We're good at that.
Yes. Well done, Shella.
Burger
Nice one.
Pro.